Today we're going to learn about artist Yayoi Kusama. Kusama is an artist from Japan. She makes paintings and sculptures. They have one thing in common: polka dots. Yayoi Kusama uses polka dots so often in her art, she has the nickname Princess of Polka Dots. Our project is a Kusama-inspired 3D polka dot pumpkin sculpture.
Okay guys, we are going to start out with 4 strips of paper. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to make one diagonal line. A diagonal line goes sideways. And I'm going to fold my paper in half to make a crease, which is an invisible line. Now I'm going to open it. Do you see the line?
Yes.
I'm going to put a little dot of glue, and I'm going to take my next paper and I'm going to fold it so that I have that invisible crease. Do you see it?
Yes.
And I'm going to put it on my glue dot. What letter did I make, Cal? I did. Now I'm going to take my glue and I'm going to put the glue down. And I'm going to take my paper. What am I going to do with my paper?
Fold it.
Fold it in half. Make my invisible crease. And where am I going to put it? On the X, but instead of it being another X, I'm going to make a straight line, which is called a vertical line.
It looks like a hospital sign.
Kind of looks like a hospital sign. Now I have one more paper. What am I going to do with it? I'm going to fold it, crease it, add my glue to the middle, and I'm going to make a horizontal line, which is a sideways line, right? When you're gluing with a glue stick, you have to hold it for about 10 seconds for it to work. Now, what do I need on my paper? Now I need polka dots. Okay? So I'm going to add little bitty polka dots. Sometimes if you want to make a lot of polka dots, you make polka dots 1, 2, middle, 1, 2, middle, 1, 2, middle. Can you help me? 1, 2, middle, 1, 2, middle.
1, 2, middle.
Sometimes I can make a big fat dot and 2 skinny dots. A big fat dot and 2 skinny dots. And I can make medium dots, right?
The dogs look like from Japan.
The dots look like they're from Japan because our artist is from Japan, right? Okay, at this point, you're going to write your name on the bottom. And then you're going to flip your paper over. And the reason why we're going to flip our paper over is because we want our polka dots to be seen. Now, you're going to have to do something kind of silly, and you make a table with your hand. That sounds silly, right?
I don't know how to do that.
Do you see how I put my hand under it? I'm making a table with my hand. Do you see that?
Yes.
And now I have to get the other side, and I have to hold it for how many seconds? If you rush through 10, then that's not really 10. And now I'm going to do the sideways line. So first I did the vertical line.
Is it pumpkin? It's a big one.
It's going to make a pumpkin. Are these going to go in your backpack?
No.
What happens if you put this in your backpack? What happens if you put it in your backpack?
It'll get ruined.
It's going to get crushed and ruined. So when you leave school and you want to take your pumpkin home, how could you get it home?
Oh, you hold it.
You can hold it. Show them forward with your hands. Show them how you will hold it. Yes.
I'll show you how to
Because
do it with this.
our pumpkin is fragile. Do you know what the word fragile means?
Yes. It's very delicate.
It means it's delicate and it can break. I have one more step to do. I have to make a stem. You're going to cut out a shape. What shape is this? a rectangle, and you're going to fold your rectangle in half. And you're going to add glue to one side. And you're going to put your stem on your pumpkin. Do you like it?
Yeah.